LinkedIn Recruiter Hiring Automation Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get LinkedIn Recruiter wrong. They think it's just a job posting site or fancy resume search. The surprising truth is how much hiring automation can simplify recruiting, and you won't believe how much time you can save while improving candidate quality. Here's how it works. LinkedIn Recruiter allows companies to find, engage, and track candidates using AI-powered recommendations and automation, customizable pipelines, smart search filters, and automated outreach messages help streamline the entire hiring process. For example, a tech startup hiring software engineers can automatically identify top talent, send personalized messages, and schedule interviews without manually searching through hundreds of profiles. Most people get this wrong. They assume automation replaces human judgment, but it enhances recruiters' efficiency while maintaining a personal touch. Additional features include collaborative hiring boards, analytics on candidate engagement, and pipeline management. Users praise reduced time to hire, higher quality candidate matches, and better organization. However, there are considerations. LinkedIn Recruiter is subscription-based, and success depends on crafting effective messaging and follow-up. Most people assume AI does all the work. It still requires strategy and engagement from recruiters. In conclusion, LinkedIn Recruiter is ideal for businesses seeking to streamline hiring, reduce manual work, and find top talent faster while keeping candidate experience professional. Subscribe for more honest reviews of recruitment and HR technology.